Oh, hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel today. I hope everyone is doing good out there and staying healthy. And yeah, okay. And I have something I want to share with you all today. On occasion, you will come across this problem, I think, and I just want to address the issue. It's about this connector for the battery, the 9 volt, yeah, on this garage door remote. This has been sitting outside in the weather and all that, and over years, you see this connector is it's been broken. Hopefully, you can see that it's busted, and yeah, so it's corroded and all that, and then you will get intermittent operation. So I want to share, just in case you come across this problem, like I said, and you don't have, a connector handy, right? So, so what you do in this case is finding a battery that 9 volt that's bad, and let's see, and then try to remove the connector off of this. It's fairly easy. So let me show you. This one battery is bad, so I'm just gonna right here just kind of let me see, use a yeah, some plier maybe. Yeah, I'll show you how to. There you go, see that? Kind of, yeah, just it comes off, yeah, really easy. Oh, just be careful there. Yeah, okay, yeah, just this is soft metal on the surrounding of the case. So just kind of peel it up a little bit, just like that. Yeah, can you guys see that? Yeah, there you go. Okay, yep, there you go. I think that's pretty much off. Then just use a flat screwdriver underneath. You can see there's a metal piece underneath. Okay. So basically, you're just cutting the tap off. That's all you will need to do. So, or peel it off. There you go. Yep. So this off, just like that. Okay. And then just kind of wiggle. Yep. There you go. And that's how you remove this tap from it. Right. And then what I would do is I trim this tap. We don't need all that, so I'm just gonna cut it. All right, so hopefully you can see that better. There you go. Okay. So just remove that piece, and then that's all you got. And then underneath this paper, there will be the other terminal right there. Okay, so you got two terminal, one underneath. Yeah, great. Then what you do is, on the old one, just kind of remove the wires. From, like I said, this one is all corroded. Anyway, I hope you can see that. Bring it up closer. Okay, and then just kind of, okay, I'm gonna just cut the wire off of it. There we go. And then the red wire is going to the bigger tab here, and then the black wire is to the other terminal. Okay, yeah, it's a little hard to see. Yeah. All right, so that's how you remove the wires from the old connector. Okay. And then the other one just kind of, okay. All right, so that's how you get the old one off. And we'll try to strip this a little bit. Yeah, just yeah. If your wire is too short, you might want to solder a longer piece in here. All right, so let me see. Yeah, I need something to cut that with. Just be careful, okay? Yeah, so here I have exposed wire, and okay, see that, folks? And then just kind of tint your solder a little bit, give some a little bit solder, pre-tin the wire. Yeah, many times, you know, it's been corrosion on the wire, so you might have difficulty. Yeah, like this black wire seemed like it's corroded really bad, and it's not taking the solder very well. So that's because it's old. So you may have to trim it back a little bit more. But like I said, it's something that, you know, like I said, if you don't have a connector handy, you see how that wire is, you know, it's very flimsy, and that's because it's so. Okay. Yeah, like this one, it took solder, but the black wire is not able to take solder. So let me try it again, see how, but it's getting a little bit shorter, so. Yeah. It's not cooperating. Yep, it's oxidation. It's like, yeah, it's really bad. A lot of time you might have to, like I said, flux and all that. I can see it takes a little bit of solder, but you know, give it a shot again, see what happened here. But a lot of time that's what caused from, it's not making the connection, yeah, properly. Yeah. Okay. All right. So that's not good. So I'm gonna figure out how I can get this more, or you know, to get it to stick solder to it, because it's not taking it. All right, give me a second. All right. So unfortunately, the negative wire is so corroded that is yeah, I keep stripping it back. It is getting shorter and shorter. So I cannot, I don't think I can save it for the moment. And you can see here, I undo the backing of the pad, and you can see it's all corroded all the way up to the connectors. So I have to address it from back at this point on the boards. So notice it here, I can see some corrosion and all that. Okay, so I'm gonna have to replace, yeah, this the wires from this part right here. So go ahead and remove this connector from there. Okay, dope. And hoping that this will be okay. Yeah. Let me strip this back. See how far does it need to go. Maybe I can. Yeah. Yeah, it's so brittle. It's like, you can see here, it's like, yeah, the negative wire is like very, yeah, very crunchy. Yeah. Yeah, see that, folks? The individual strands just kind of fall right off. Alrighty, so very unfortunate, but let me see if I can somehow manage to save this. Yeah, you can see it's like corrosion. Yeah, from the environment, I guess. Yeah, wish there's a way I can. Let's see if we can. Yeah, thought this would be much simpler, right? Just addressing the connector and you'll be all set. But well, look at that. Yeah. Look at that. Maybe right here, folks, I can see some exposed. Yeah. Yep. Okay. Right, let me. I don't know. Yeah, at this point, I like to maybe put a new, or I hate to solder a extension piece to this connector, right? Or better yet, if I have another replacement small connector like this, I would do it. So let me see if I have a replacement piece, and then I'll get back to you guys. All right. Okay, so I'm back. So it's very unfortunately, but yeah, I don't have another connectors available. Yeah, so yeah, and the negative wire is basically all broken. We cannot salvage it. So here's what I'm decided to do is so I removed the negative wire from the connector completely. It looks like the positive wire is still okay, so we're gonna leave that. But I'm decided that I took another piece of wire, preferably to replace the negative wire, and I decided that I'm gonna maybe solder directly to one of the negative line, right, off from this board. So I have determined that this there's a via right here that's negative, because on the right side this is the negative connector, or the pin, and it goes to, if you can see here, it goes to this via. I can tap off either that via or the bottom via right here. And the way you can tell that is if you have an ohm meter like this. Yeah, I'll show you. Yeah, hopefully you can see it's OL right now, right? So if I touch the two lead together, see it's reading 0 ohm basically. So what you do is you so I connect from this via right here to the pin, and you see it goes to 0.6, which is basically 0. So I know that that and that is tied together. So basically I have that connection. Similar right here. See, I'm reading this 0.5, which is basically 0 ohm. Okay, though. So that is what we're gonna do. Sorry about that. My meter is beeping. So that, yeah, we're gonna solder this piece of wire right here on that via. So hopefully that will give us the negative. Alrighty. So let me see what we can do. Yeah, I have something. Sorry. to prop that up. Give myself some solder. So I'm gonna heat up a little bit and then solder. This will give us the negative. Yep, just a little bit. It doesn't take much. Yeah, I think that will, yeah. I think that's pretty good. Touch up the back a little bit, maybe. That'll give us a solid. Yep, we can check that one more time here. So let me get my meter. Just double checking my connection 0. So touching the wire. Touching the beer. Okay, 0.5, so that's pretty good. So I have a good connection there. Okie doke. And then, like I said, we're gonna reuse, just leave this one wire off the connector. Yeah, that's how I'm gonna, for now. So, let's hopefully. Okay. And then yeah, the tab, the connector that we removed, yeah, from the battery. Obviously the old one, the connector is no longer good, all corroded and all that. Alrighty, so make sure that this is gonna be the the positive terminal, because how you can tell is from the battery, right? Yeah, see the positive is on this, the smaller connector, which have to mate to that. So it's the opposite. So that will be the positive, and that will be the negative. So basically, we're gonna solder the something like that. We'll solder that to that, and solder the the negative. Okay, so that will give us what we need. Okay, dope. So let's give it some solder here. See if we can make that connection. Doesn't take much. You can see that your solder is real easy. but ooh, a little hot. Be careful. And then just kind of hopefully you can see that, folks. And then solder the positive terminal. Okay, so here we go. Yep, there you go. See that? So positive, and then yep. So basically, that's what we need. If you really want to secure this, we can put some kind of hot glue here to secure it together to the board here. Yeah, but right. But I don't think that is gonna be okay. So what we can do is we can put this back and test it out. Okay. So here the pad, this goes back together like, yeah, this pad right here is sitting on here, so be just like that. Yeah, just carefully bend your wire to get it back in place. Yeah, just carefully route your wire properly. That's what I'm doing. To the front, just like that. Okay. And then, yeah, I'll put the back covers back on here. Just like that, snap back together. Alright, so here, the moment of truth. Connect my battery to this. There you go. See? Yeah, it lit up. You can just tell. So, yeah. There you go. So that's how you do it. Like I said, yeah, I'll probably hot glue this in and make it more secure. But that's how you you can use the the part of the battery to make yourself a connectors. So it's a neat way if you don't have a replacement connector handy. Okay, you can do that and save yourself a little bit and have something working again. Okay, folks. I hope this video helps somebody out there, and yeah. So if you like this, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any suggestion for me, leave me a comment. Okay. You all have a good day now. All right. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.